Hello everyone, welcome into the ITLS Academy. ITLS Academy is the best online training platform with unique features which you will not find anywhere. Myself, Dr. Himani Singh, PhD in Tissue Engineering and Regenerative Medicine. As all of us know that nanobiotechnology is one of the most powerful engine of innovation. Every day it develops breakthrough solutions to long-standing real world problems. So let's know what is the nanobiotechnology. It is the branch of biotech. It is the branch of technology. It deals with the study of extremely small things and can be used across all other science fields such as chemistry, biology, physics, material science, and engineering. Applications of nanobiotechnology in every life. Nanobiotechnology products are used in metals, polymers, ceramics, and biomaterials. It is used in the production of high-tech material or microscopic devices. In future, nanobiotechnology might be used in developing new medicines and pharmaceuticals. So let's discuss about the scope. This opportunity in this career field are growing rapidly. There is numerous of job sector in which you can employ such as environmental observing, food science including quality control, packaging, forensics, military and national security, energy captures and storage, material science including textiles, polymers, aerospace industries, biotechnology, medical and pharmaceuticals field. So ITLS Academy are going to provide you the best training module for nanobiotechnology course. You can join this without going anywhere. Just learn with us from your home on mobile or laptop without any time restrictions. When you want to learn, just log in your account, watch video, get important notes and participate in weekly assignment tests. So, what is the aim and objectives of our modules? This is 3-month online program. Aim of the module is to make familiar with nanobiotechnology to avoid the participants regarding nanobiotechnology research, nanobiotechnology applications, to make familiar with career prospects in nanobiotechnology after completing their education. So next one is what you will learn. In our program, you will learn introduction of nanobiotechnology applications in industries, nanobiotechnology use in medical science, current development and regarding job prospects. So let's discuss about the topic to be covered by our program. So in the first part, we will cover biometric nanobiotechnology. In this part, we will cover DNA nanostructures, functionalized nanomaterials for cell recognition, artificial enzyme, molecular motors, from RNA structure to RNA nano machines, DNA damage response research, inherent and futures, nano-based interfaces for personalized medicines, virus-based nanobiotechnology, biomimic nanotopography strategy for extracellular matrix constructions, butterfly wing inspired nanobiotechnology, receptor based biosensor focus on olfactory receptors and cell free sensors. And part 2 is the nanobiofabrications, micro contact printing, electron beam lithography for biological applications, lasers, direct write, electro spinning of nanofibers. Part 3 is the applications of nanobiotechnology to bioprocessing, and fourth part will be covered by the biomolecules and cellular manipulations and detections, atomic force microscopy, dielectrophoresis, nanofluorescence, and optical tweezers, cellular response to nanoscale features, micro and nanotechnology in integrative biology. And next part we will cover biomedical nanobiotechnology, micro and nanotechnology in tissue engineering, nanotechnology in drug delivery, lipid-based nanoparticles for siRNA delivery, diamonds for biomazing and therapeutics application, biomedical microprobes for super resolved image extraction. And next part we will cover nanobiotechnology impacts. In this part we will cover nanotoxicity, responsible nanotechnology, controlling exposure and environmental release via rational designing, educational and workshop development in the nanobiotechnology. So eligibility for this training program is an any student of BSc, BTech, MSc, MTech and with PhD can join this program. If any faculty member of life science also interested for joining this training program, then most welcome. After completing this training program, certificate will be provided of all participants. So guys, don't wait, register yourself now. For more information, visit our website www.itlsacademy.com. Contact with us on our WhatsApp number is 7080833450 to get some other discount offer. So guys, see you soon in our training program. Take care.